So question number 8 is all about demonstrating your knowledge of health and safety concerns when using IT basically. So this question wants you to identify 2 health concerns that could be considered for staff creating the interactive presentations. So we need to think about how the staff might use technology to make the presentations, and also about things like breaks, and how you can support that as well. Maybe there's some health and safety concerns when filming the video that goes in the presentations and things like that. So if we think about how we normally use computers, so that could be we could talk about the screens. We'll talk okay, so staff should not look at screens for too long, as it could hurt their eyes, cause eye strain. Okay, so that's one. The next one we could look at, we could say staff should take regular breaks to allow their bodies or back to loosen up. We could also look at staff should be given keyboard wrist supports to reduce the risks of RSI or repetitive strain injury. We could also talk about cables should be taped down to prevent staff from tripping over them when working. We could also have a look at filming locations. Kins must be safe with no dangerous objects. We could also look at if staff are working at heights, they must be wearing harnesses, and risk assessment must be carried out. Okay, so it's fairly straightforward. So you get 1 mark for talking about the risk, and then how the effect that might have on them. So staff take regular breaks and then allow their bodies to loosen up is 2 marks. Staff should be given keyboard supports to reduce the risks of RSI. Cables should be taken down to prevent staff from tripping over them. Filming locations must be safe with no dangerous objects. If staff working at heights, they must wear harnesses, or a risk assessment should be carried out. So as you can see, once again, you make your point, you follow it up. 1 mark for the point, 1 mark for the explanation. So fairly straightforward, and another fairly straightforward question to get 4 marks on. Hope that's been useful. In the next video we'll look at the final question on this paper, which is question number 9.